Hello again. This is Fawad, and I am here with another tutorial which is related to the declaration of arrays. So in this tutorial I will teach you that how you can create array within your C# programming. So as you know, you have created different type of variables within C#. Now in order to teach you that how you can create array of integer data type, you will just write a square bracket like this and then array name and then equals to new. So I'm going to run this code and then see that if it give me an error. There is an error, and the error is that I should declare the data type here as well. Now when I run the code, there is an error again, and the error is that I should declare the size of that array here. Now when I run this code, there is no error. So the syntax is that I have to write the data type name, then square bracket, then the name of array, then equals to new, again data type, and then in the square bracket I have to write the size of that array. Now if I have to store some data in this array, I will write it like this: 1, 2. The dimension of array is 5, but I have stored 2 number in this, so it gives me an error. If I store 5 values, still there is an error. So the array declaration procedure is that I have to write this thing whenever I have to initialize the array. So otherwise it will give me an error. I'll write new. Now there is no any error. So I can write it like this as well. So the initialization and everything will take place within same instruction. If I reduce the size and store 5 values within this array, then it will give me an error, because the dimension of arrays, it can store 4 values, but I have stored 5 values. If I write 6, now there is some space as well, but still there is an error. If I don't know the dimension of the array, I can just only keep as empty. So this is array 1. This is array 1. If I have to display it, so it will give me things like this. But if I put some index here, like value at index 0, then it produces this value like 1. This is at index 0, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4th index. If I have to display the date of 4th index, then it will give me a result like this. If I have to display the result of 1st and 4th index, so it give me an error. So the syntax is different, like I have to write get row 1. Okay, we cannot produce the result of multiple indexes through this process, so we need some more we need to learn some more things related to loops and iterative procedures. After that, we will be able to display the complete result of the array. Now this was a one-dimensional array. If I have to create two-dimensional array, then I will put a comma over here, and now inside these curly brackets I will put some more curly brackets. So this is a 3-column array, 3 rows array, and within each row I'm going to store some values. Now when I run it, it still gives me an error because I have not defined the exact index of the exact position of the values. I'm going to comment this line of code and then run this code to see where is the error. So the error is here at this place. I think I have put an extra column here. Oh, there was error. So there was an extra bracket. Now if you look into this, still there is an error. The error is at this line because I have told to display this first and 0. Now the first row is this one and the 0 column is this one. If I put right here 1, then the value is this one. If I have to display this value, so this is in the first row, the index of the first row is 0, and it is in the second column, so the index of the second column is 1. If I have to display this one, so this is in the third row, so I will write 2 here, 0, 1, 2, and it is in the second column, so it will be 1 in the column position. If I have to display all the values, I will need to repeat this command. So if I repeat this for few values, I want to display the values 8, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So all these 4 values will be displayed. You can see the first, second, third, and fourth value has been displayed. Now you can see the first value has been displayed, then the second, then the third, then the fourth. Now I don't know why this happens, that the first 2 values are in the single line while the other values are in the one value per line, but the first two lines are in the 5 0 0 here. So the first two lines are in the same row, while the other are in the different row. This could be some mistake within this compiler, which is online compiler. This was all about the array. You can increase the index up to 3, 4, whatever you like. So you can increase the dimension from here. So you can create any type of array through this procedure. This is an integer array. You can put double, you can decimal, you can put string, whatever you like. So this is the procedure. Thank you so much.